Take a moment and notice this. How many times today did you check your phone without even thinking? Not because you needed to, but because your brain asked for it. This isn't laziness. This isn't lack of discipline. This is psychology. Your brain was never designed for a world of constant alerts, endless scrolling, and instant rewards. Thousands of years ago, focus meant survival. Today, distraction is everywhere, and your brain is overwhelmed. Every notification triggers dopamine, a tiny hit of pleasure, and your brain loves it. So it keeps searching, switching, jumping, not because it's weak, but because it's been trained to crave stimulation. But here's the problem. Every time your attention breaks, your brain pays a price. It takes minutes to refocus. Your thinking becomes shallow, your creativity drops, and slowly, deep focus starts to feel uncomfortable. That's why sitting quietly with one task now feels harder than scrolling endlessly. Here's the good news. Focus is not something you're born with. It's something you train, just like a muscle. And the goal isn't to eliminate distraction. That's impossible. The goal is to strengthen your ability to return to focus again and again. Start small. One task, 5 minutes. No multitasking, no switching. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back. That moment of return, that's the real training. Most people rely on motivation. Psychology says that fails. Instead, reduce decisions. Keep your phone out of reach. Turn off non-essential notifications. Create an environment where focus is the default. Less temptation means less mental energy wasted. Here's something most people avoid: boredom. But boredom rewires your brain. When you don't escape it with a screen, your brain learns patience. It learns depth. It learns to stay. That's where real focus begins. In a distracted world, focus is a superpower. And you don't need more apps, you don't need hacks. You need awareness, practice, and patience. Train your brain gently, not by fighting distraction, but by choosing focus, one moment at a time.